name is Melinda, and if today is your first day joining me, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I would like to share with you my homeschooling space for the 2022-2023 school year. I'm a second year homeschooling mom of 2 kids, so if you're interested in seeing what I did for my homeschoolers this year, please keep watching. Hey guys, before we get into the tour, I want to tell you a little bit about our homeschooling space. It is a shared space with our living room, so this is why organization is key to having a successful year. In school for us, we like to be tidy, organized, and everything before the school year starts, so we won't be distracted by clutter. So I would like to give you some tips and motivate you to get all the things that you need to make your school year successful. Okay guys, now that we got that out of the way, I would like to start with you. This space in our homeschool area. So we have the calendar that keep our scheduling intact. Everybody knows what everybody else is doing in my house because of this area. We have birthdays, doctor's appointments, scheduling for jobs, all of that is in one area so everybody can be on one accord when it comes to scheduling. Also, I picked up these little magnets for the board so that my daughter can help me do it. And this is also making her learn her months of the year and the days of the week and all of that stuff. So I like this. I found it off of Amazon. That was a good find. Also, in this little filing section, I have the things that she uses daily that she can have accessible to her every day. It's easy for her to grab and pick up, and she don't need my help because it's out in the open, so she don't need me to get it. So these are all her sleeves, her whiteboard. We also have where we keep the markers for the whiteboard. I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's supposed to be a magnet, but I put command strips behind it to hold it on the wall. And this is what complete our little command center. Okay guys, now we're going to go over to our desk area where I want to highlight 3 things that we got from IKEA that has helped us tremendously in staying organized. We have our pegboard, we have our Mickey desk, and we have the chair that we purchased from IKEA. And it is so compact and perfect for the space. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's perfect for our daughter. And she have everything accessible to her that she needs in a school day. So she got her pencils, she have her highlighters, her markers, her scissors, her headphones. We found this little cute caddy from Target, and it's a Lazy Susan style, so she got everything. And you also can take out what you want to use and not take the whole thing everywhere. And also, I would like to show you what we keep in the drawers of our desk. This so much is for me, not so much my daughter. She do keep her pencil case in here, and thumb tags that we might need, extra erasers, tape, her ruler, her extra erasers, extra pencils, pens, rubber bands, sticky notes, and staplers, extra staplers, whiteout, which we hardly ever use, but just in case. But that's what we have in this drawer right here. So yes. Moving on to the second drawer that this little area has is just home to our stapler, our mouse, and our hole puncher. So that's just stuff that we use on a daily basis. Also in this cabinet is where we keep printer's paper, construction paper, all that stuff. So I want to show you what we have inside of this area. We have all the extra glue, and we got these containers all from Dollar Tree, so you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to be organized. I love this little thing. It's very sturdy. It closes just like that, and it houses all the glue sticks and extra glue that we have for the year. And we have her art supplies, and we have this little bin. We have all her little arts and crafts things like her pipe cleaner, all that. And we have in this little bin inside of another bin is all her stickers that she likes to craft with, because my baby loves art, so we keep it stocked up. And we also have these little mason jars that I repurpose. We have the popsicle sticks, we have ribbon, we have the little googly eyes, and this one, yeah, googly eyes, and we have the pom-poms. And also in this, down here, I keep it tucked away because I don't want little hands to get a hold of this, but we keep all the glue that they have for the year. You got to keep the glitter away. You don't want them to get to that. So we got all of this stuff that they can utilize for arts and crafts in this little area. So also in this area, we just keep her little, both of their sketchbooks out. We got in this little caddy that I got from Target as well. It correlates with the art, so I keep it close to that where we can keep all the brushes, sponges, all the things that you would need for art. We keep all of this in this little caddy. This little bench we got from IKEA as well. It's perfect for housing books, and it keeps our printer for now. It housed my baby's curriculum for the school year, so we have it broken down into what she will be doing this year, which is English, language, phonics, and these are this is really cool. Her school sent her this, and it keeps all her letter towels. I would like to show you how it is set up. Let me show. It's got all of her little towels for phonics. So it helped her with her sounding out words and listening for letter sounds and all that stuff. So this is really neat, and they provided the little binder for her, so I keep it like that. And also it housed her sight word card, so I keep all this stuff for phonics in one little shot where I don't have to look for anything. So this is what that looks like, and we are super excited for this year, y'all. I hope y'all are too. Tomorrow is it for us. We go back to school tomorrow, so we are super excited. So yes, so that housed all the things that we will be utilizing for phonics. And then we have the math, we have her notebooks, her curriculum. And for this year, they didn't send us much for science. So I'm leaving this binder for science and social studies because majority of it is supposed to be online for us. And also for the language arts part, her school also sent us books that she will be utilizing within the lessons that we're learning. So for language arts, they got the poems and folk tales and all the stuff that we would need for our lessons. And this little basket that I have here is for all our books that we get from the library. So all our read alouds and all that stuff that we get from the library, I keep it in this little basket, so whenever they want me to read or they want to read, it is out in the open and they can grab it. Okay, you guys, so this is all for this little area over here, but I also have some more storage. Also utilize our lovely coffee table. Our coffee table house stuff underneath. It's got 2-layered space. It's got this little space under here. And extra stuff that we don't reach for every day, but we do house the stuff like for science, like her thermometer, her flashlight, her magnifying glass, and a mirror, and a bouncy ball, all the stuff that they sent her for school this year that she would need for her lessons for science. Also, I have all of my kids' flashcards and this little awesome find that I found at Michael's, which I snagged. They keep all their little learning cards, their flashcards that we get over the years from the dollar spot at Target or Dollar Tree. So that's all the things that we have in here. So this is really a good find as well if you're in the market of organizing your flashcards. Also, we house her math manipulators under here because we always need that to be accessible if you have to use it in class. So we always keep them out. In this basket, we house all of the puzzles and pieces and their poppets and their fidgets, stuff that they reach for every day. We just keep it out for they can play with it when they want to, because we always want them to keep themselves entertained, especially my 4-year-old. When we're in school, when we're not doing preschool with him, he can find something to keep him busy. The last part of our tour, it is our little IKEA toy storage, but we utilize it for more than just toys. We keep our kids learning stuff in here, our extra stuff, our reference books, our practice books for them. We also keep the little posters because we don't have a lot of wall space to keep all of these. So if we need this, we just bring it to the table and they can utilize it and then put it back inside of here. We also have some more of the book holders from Dollar Tree where we keep all their little books. And I love this because they can go in it by themselves. They don't have to ask me. They can just come in here and get back nice and neat. It's already in place for them to put things back themselves. And in this one, it's not very much in there. It's more toys than anything. But I did want to show you that I do store their blocks and their sensory bin. So they have a big sensory bin with kinetic sand and all that stuff in there. So I wanted to show you that because my kids love kinetic sand. So this is all the stuff that they play with the kinetic sand with. And okay guys, this will conclude our tour for today, and I hope you take away some good notes from my video. I love watching these videos. I'm super excited for the new year, and I hope this gets you pumped. If you like this kind of content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Well, see you in the next one. Bye now.